Hi guys, so welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel. If you come to CoinMarketCap right now, you're going to see that among the biggest gainers and losers today, one of the coin that have done over 2,466% is Pyroblock token PYR. I'll be talking about this later. The trading volume is just $239,000. While on the second position we have Smith Inu. Okay, this is very funny. You all know Will Smith, a popular actor, currently one of the best actor, Oscar award-winning actor, right? He slapped Rick Ross during the course of the weekend, and today we can see that there's a token called Will Smith Inu. So I'll be reviewing this token. This token has a 24 hours trading volume of $1 million, and it has pumped 1,598%. So without further ado, let's quickly check this token to see whether this token is safe or not. So this is the Will Smith Inu, and the video you can see on the official website is the video of when he slapped Chris Rock, right, and they said Will Smith Inu born from the moment Will Smith slapped Chris Rock at the Oscar award. And there's a tab to Dex 2. Will Smith Inu is the next hottest crypto meme this bull run. We are an experienced DeFi native team, a community of charts, and most importantly, the next bullish meme in the hottest bull market of 2022. Well, yes, the Will Smith and the Chris Rock story is going to trend for a while, and truly it is looking like we are back to the bull run, and them releasing a token around this point is very strategic, which means this token is going to trend and probably get some attention. But the problem I have with this is I'm not sure if this project is safe. This project is coming from the place of the creator of this token trying to make money. I don't think this is a serious project. But then what I'll be doing is I'll be scanning through the contract address to see whether it is safe to invest or not. So they said the part one is the website initial light paper contract audit. 2 is team expansion, centralized exchange listing, Will Smith Inu DAO release. 3rd one is the white paper, the website, the influencer campaign, the merch, the white paper, V3, and the WSI2 launch. Now I can tell you obviously that this project is a project that is rushed. These guys did not they just want to make money out of this whole drama and everything. I don't think this is a serious project as far as I'm concerned. Anyways, a shit coin, so my expectations are very, very low, and I don't expect this project to do well. But then this is from what I can see in the official website. There's no tokenomics here, so what I'll do is I'll just go straight to bscheck.eu to scan through this token to see whether there are red flags or not, and I'll tell you guys my final verdict. So if you go to bscheck.eu, you will see that the Will Smith Inu token total supply million, billion, trillion. I think this is like 100 quadrillion or 100 billion, one of the two, because there are a lot of zeros here and I'm not wearing my glasses. And currently they have 711 orders. Now this is the problem. If you want to buy this token is built in the Ethereum blockchain, which means it will have gas fee. So when you're buying this token, you're going to pay for gas fee, one. And secondly, when you want to sell, they're taking 16% tax. I think that's too much. When you're buying is 0%, when you're selling is 16% tax. And personally, I think that is too much. And the ownership of this token is not renounced. As you can see here, the ownership is not renounced. Ownership contract part is okay anyway, but then the developer wallet doesn't have any token, and they have liquidity, and there's anti-whale mechanism. So what do I think? I think this token is just majorly for pump and dump. Yeah, that is basically what this token is about. And the only thing is that the sell tax is something you guys need to take cognizance of. Currently, if we check this to see the market cap, you see that from got it. Let's see the market cap of this particular token. But before then, let me see. This is the 15-minute time frame. You can see that this token has pumped today. I'm going to move this to the daily time frame, the last 1 day. Give me a second, guys. Last 1 day. Let me see. right? So you can see this token was launched yesterday and is currently pumping today. A lot of people want to jump in this project. You need to be very careful so that it will not dump. I think this initial pump is based on, you know, the fact that it was launched yesterday. So you guys need to be very, very careful with this project. I'm trying to get the market cap of this token. The total market cap right now, we have trading volume $1 billion. Diluted market cap is $1.1 billion, and the DEX2 rating is 47/99. Total liquidity is $299,000. They have some decent amount of liquidity, but I don't think this token is very safe. I think you guys should be very careful out there investing in this project, right? That is my opinion. So please make sure you go on to do further research before you put your money in this particular project called Smith Inu. For people that are looking for shitcoins to invest in, this is another one that have been launched. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop more updates, you will not miss out. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you another interesting content.